Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you're all fine. We are starting question number 14 of exercise 10C, right? And as you can see in the figure that it's a right angled triangle with a right angle at point C, and you're given all the sides of the triangle. Now look at the part A, in which you're asked to form an equation in X and show that it reduces to this equation. There we are required to form an equation of x in this form that when we simplify it takes this form, right, by using the information given in this triangle. So as it is a right angle triangle, so I can apply Pythagoras theorem. So let's begin with the part A. So we are applying Pythagoras theorem here, which states that hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square, right? Here we know that hypotenuse is the side that is opposite to this right angle. So this is our hypotenuse right here in this case. So I'm gonna write that 18 square is equals to 4x plus 1 square whole square plus 3x minus 2 whole square, right? Now I can't open this here directly, but I'll use the form a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? So just keep in mind that whenever you have this kind of form, you will open it by using this formula. And for a minus b whole square, we know that the formula is a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? The next thing is to now apply this formula over here in this case. So I'll apply it over here. 18 square is 324, and for x square would be 16x square plus 1 square will be 1 plus 2 into 4x into 1 according to the formula, right? Plus the next one is 3x whole square. 3x square will be 9x square, right? Plus 2 square will be 4 minus 2, as we use minus 2ab in this formula of a minus b whole square, right? Now minus 2 into 3x into 2, so it becomes 16x square plus 1 plus 8x plus 9x square plus 4 minus 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, minus 12x is equals to 324. And when you will solve this equation, we will add or subtract the values having same variable, like 16x square and 9x square, then 8x and 12x, and then you will solve these numbers. Then on solving you will get the equation 25x square minus 4x minus 319 equals to 0. So we are done with the first part. The second one is to solve this equation. We are asked to solve this equation. So we all know that it's a quadratic equation, and such kind of equations are always solved by two methods. This is the equation that you are asked to solve is equals to 0. We know that it can be solved either by quadratic formula that we have done in the previous classes, or you can do it by using factorization, right? By factorization. So it's up to you whichever method you adopt, and when you solve it by using any of these methods, the values of x you will get are x is equals to 3.65, and the second value of x will be minus 3.49. And of course we can't use the value minus, because the value of any side of triangle cannot be negative, it's always positive. So this is the value of x that we will be using. Now look at the part C. You're using your answer in B, that this was the part B, to find the value of x from the equation, right? So they are asking you to use this answer, find perimeter and area of triangle ABC. In part C, they're asking you to find the perimeter and area of the triangle. So let's begin with the perimeter of triangle ABC, which we can get by adding all the three sides of this triangle, right? So I'm gonna add all these sides. I'll get 18 plus 4x plus 1 plus 3x minus 2. Right, now let's substitute the value of x. 18 plus 4 into 3.65, as I mentioned that we will use the positive value, plus 1 plus 3 into 3.65 minus 2. And on solving, you will get the value of perimeter as 42.6 centimeter. Then you're also asked to find the area, and know that the area of a right angle triangle is equals to half into breadth into height, right? So we know that there the values of both breadth and height of the triangle, so I'm gonna substitute them, which are 4x plus 1, 3x minus 2. Right, now substitute the value of x in this case too. We will get 4 into 3.65, that is the value of x, plus 1 into 3 into 3.65 minus 2. And on simplifying, by multiplying, then adding, multiplying, then subtracting 2, and then multiplying these two terms, you will get the area of this triangle equals to 69.9 centimeter square. That's all in this question. Thank you.